Hello. Welcome back to class. Can you say hello, teacher? Oh, very good. Let's sing our hello song. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Oh, I am happy. Thank you. How are you? Very good. Well done. Okay, you ask teacher. Let's go. Teacher, what did you eat today? Teacher, what? Ooh, today I ate some noodles. Yummy. ah, mm. What did you eat today? I ate some. Very good. Excellent job. Okay, let's have a look over here. Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? Yes or no? Oh, okay, let's practice together. If it's yes, we say, yes, I like pizza. If it's no, no, I don't like pizza. Very good. Can you ask teacher? Let's go. Teacher, do you like pizza? Yes, I love pizza. I'm going to eat pizza. Ah. Okay, next one. Let's have a look here. Ooh, salad. Do you like salad? Very good. All right, you ask me. Teacher, do you like salad? Yes, I like salad. Let's eat salad. Ah. Okay, we are going to sing a song. Are you ready? It's time for clap your hands.
Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Tap, tap, tap your toes together. Tap, tap, tap your toes together. Stamp, stamp, stamp your feet together. Stamp, stamp, stamp your feet together. Sway, sway, sway your hips together. Sway, sway, sway your hips together. Shake, shake, shake your hands together. Shake, shake, shake your hands together. Nod, nod, nod your head together. Nod, nod, nod your head together. Reach, reach, reach up high together. Reach, reach, reach up high together.
That was really good. Well done. Okay, let's do our special clap. We go clap, clap, shake, shake. Clap, clap, shake, shake. Clap, clap, fist pump. Boo! Amazing. How many stars do you have? I have star. Good. Okay, we are going to look at all our colors again. Whoa. Okay, let's have a look here. Dun, dun, dun. What color is this? What color is this? Very good. Let's go. B, b, blue. Very good. Okay, let's find something blue. Go, find, find, find. What do we have? Oh, oh, ah. I have a blue bear. Can you say, hello, blue bear? Very good. What do you have that's blue? Go, look, 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 look. I have a blue. Very good. How many stars do you have? I have 2 stars. Well done. Okay, let's look at the next color. What color is this one? What color? Black. Very good. Let's say it again. Black. Okay, let's have a look. What do I have that's black? Black, 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 black. Ooh. Oh, oh, this is black. I have a black phone. What do you have that's black? Look, 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 look. I have a black. Very good. High five. Boom. How many stars do you have? I have 3 stars. Excellent. Very good. Next color. What color is this? What color is this? Green. Good job. Let's say it again. Green. Excellent. Well done. Let's have a look for something green. Something green. Oh, I have a green pen. What do you have? I have a green. Very good. Well done. How many stars do you have? Good. Superstar. Okay, let's say all our colors together. Let me just move teacher. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, white, black, gray, pink, rainbow. Very good. Superstars. High five. Woo! Let's do our clap. We go. Clap, clap, shake, shake. Clap, clap, shake, shake. Clap, clap, fist pump. Whoa! Amazing. Okay, we are going to sing the short O sound. Let's have a look. Ah, ah, ah. Ready?
Ah.
I know a fox who had a box and loved the sound of ah. Fox, fox, on a box. Fox, fox, on a box. Fox, fox, on a box. And that's the ah in fox. Ah.
Okay.
Now, I want to hear you sing along with me.
You sing with me.
I know a fox who had a box and loved the sound of ah. Fox, fox, on a box. Fox, fox, on a box. Fox, fox, on a box. And that's the ah in fox. Ah.
Oh, okay. Let's have a look at our ah words. Let's say it together. Ah, ah, ah. Very good. Okay, let's read number 1. We got fox. Can you try? Fox. Fox. Good. Number 2. Box. 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 Very good. Let's say the sound again. Okay, we have ah. Yay! Very good. High five. Whee! How many stars do you have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go. I have 5 stars. All right. We are going to have a look at the short sound. Are you ready? Short sound. Okay, go.
Short U in bus goes uh. Look at us up in the bus. Star, fall, bus. Yeah. Now sing along with me.
Sing with me. Okay?
Short U in bus goes uh. Look at us up in the bus. Star, fall, bus. Yeah.
Very good. That was amazing. Give me a high five. Boo! Let's say it together. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Okay, let's read a word. Right. Woo! Here we have b. Can you try? B. Tab. Good. Let's try the next one. Okay. Next word. D. Can you try? D. Mad. Very good. Excellent job. High five. Woo! Okay, it's time to count to 19. All right, we are going to jump 19 times. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Good. The next number is number 20. Let's have a look at number 20.
20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 scoops.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Wow. Okay, let's say that together. We have 20 scoops. Can you try? 20 scoops. Yes, let's go again. We have 5, 10, 15, 20. Excellent. Okay, let's count all our ice cream. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Excellent. Let's say it one more time. 20. Excellent. Very good. It's time to sing goodbye. Goodbye. See you again. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you again.